I'm here at Offshore Europe 2015. I'm with Mark Briffa, who's the Chief Executive of Air Partner. Mark, can you just explain, obviously, thank you very much for spending your time with us here today. Just explain what your company is, Air Partner, and what sort of markets you're aiming at.
Yeah, we're in the oil and gas market for charter work and also offering the safety element of when you charter an aircraft. That's particularly in the commercial jet area, which is where you've got large aircraft that are required to move large numbers of people to destinations which can't be served by scheduled service. We're also involved with the freight side as well, so outsized freight equipment which needs to be moved down to various parts of the world which also can't be served by scheduled service, which we can offer. We're a global business, employ over 300 people now. We've also bought a new business recently called Bain Simmons. That particular business is involved with safety and safety compliance. We see that as an additional offering our customers real value for money by auditing aircraft before we decide to put people like the oil and gas companies on these aircraft, which we think is absolutely paramount.
Given how many remote locations are involved in the oil and gas market, I take it that's a big part of your business is the oil and gas market. Is it mostly your business?
Yeah, it's a very large part of our business. It's not most of our business. We have been very successful in this area, being a PLC, which Air Partner is. The oil and gas companies like dealing with large corporate companies that are transparent, offer real value for money, and have the capabilities to service their customers as and when they need to do so.
Given the services you provide to the oil and gas industry, how important is it for you to be here at Offshore Europe where so many delegates from different companies are here?
Yeah, it's really, really important. We like to make sure we've got a continued presence up here. We come every 2 years. We think customers like meeting us here, having appointments here, and there's also some good business opportunities, but also trying to understand what's going on in the market, particularly with the downturn with where oil prices are today. But it seems to be fairly buoyant. The show seems to be fairly buoyant, quite surprising actually.
Given a good downturn, you can see that there's still a real sense of optimism around here despite that. I mean, that's something that the industry's tough times, but that everyone's thinking positive and thinking of the future. Yeah,
there are people talking about plans for the next 2 years, 2 to 4 years out, so people are still planning further ahead. So yeah, we are seeing optimism and opportunities. Slightly different to last time we were here, but there's still good optimism and opportunities out there.
Mark, thank you very much for joining us. And
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.